Morning mga ka-faith. Alam mo ba, kahit parang magulo ang sitwasyon, God is turning it around. Everything is working in your favor. And let me tell you, walang aksidente sa buhay mo. God is aligning every detail para sa ikabubuti mo. Romans 8:28, and we know that in all things, God works for the good of those who love Him. Kaya kahit mahirap, God is at work behind the scenes. Para hindi mo makalimutan, tandaan ang word na favor. Una, faith in God. Kahit hindi mo makita, trust that He is moving. And then align your heart. Ilapit mo ang puso mo sa Kanya, hindi sa problema. And then victory mindset. Think like a winner. Dahil kay Kristo, panalo ka na. And then obey His word. Ang tunay na pabor ay dumarating sa mga sumusunod sa Kanya. And then rest in His promises. Huminga ka ng malalim. God's promises never fail. Kaya sabayan mo ako, everything is working in my favor. And this is Pastor Francis reminding you, God's favor is for you. At huwag kalimutan, like, follow, and share para mas marami pang ma-encourage. God bless. Shalom.